Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears in home, full guide. Combine gelatin and juice in a saucepan and gently heat until dissolved, stirring constantly without boiling. Pour into silicone molds using a dropper or small spoon, then chill until fully set. Demold carefully and dust with a little cornstarch if sticky. Store gummies in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears in home, full guide. Start with a clear juice and unflavored gelatin to control sweetness and texture, or swap gelatin for agar if preferred. Add a little sweetener or honey if the juice is tart, and a touch of citric acid for brightness. Keep a small funnel or dropper handy to fill molds neatly, and let gummies set thoroughly before demolding to avoid deformation. In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears in home, full guide. Heat juice and gelatin slowly, stirring until smooth, then remove from heat and stir in flavorings and any color. Transfer to molds carefully using a dropper, then refrigerate until solid. Once set, let the molds rest briefly at room temperature to loosen, then pop out the bears and dust lightly if needed. Enjoy fresh or store chilled for later snacking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.